Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and welcome to SNNLive. We're at the Biotech Showcase 2012, and we're here in San Francisco. I have John Maki of Vicus Therapeutics, a private company. John, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you.
It's good to have you.
Good to be here.
Let's find out about Vicus.
Well, Vicus is a biopharmaceutical company located in New Jersey, and we are developing oncology drug products for the treatment of cancer. Now, we're doing it in a very different way. We're developing them as add-on therapies with the major oncology brands to improve the duration of therapy. And what this means is we can develop our therapies much faster, cheaper than the other ways. In fact, we estimate our cost of developing a drug product from concept all the way through to NDA is about $20 million. And upon an NDA, we can generate enough money to generate a 10x return on that investment.
That's different. How did you figure this out?
We figured this out because we realized there are in fact over 200 generic drugs out there today on the market that have been approved for non-cancer indications but have already shown efficacy in human cancer. Nobody is developing those drug products because you can't make money selling generic drugs. What we figured out is that if you take these old generic drugs, develop them as a combination therapy, and then as an add-on to the big pharma drugs, that everybody wins. The big pharma can make a lot of money with an incremental duration of therapy of even 1 month. They can make $100 million more a year. With that incremental income they're going to make, they support the drug therapies that we're developing so we can drive the cost down to under $20 million, and then we only have to sell the products for $30 million a year, which is a fraction of the cost of new drugs that often go for $1 billion a year, and we can still make enough money. The payers like this idea because they're willing to pay $30 million for a drug. They just don't like paying $1 billion.
In theory, brilliant. Tell me about practice.
Well, the practice today is our first drug product was approved. We got our US FDA IND. We've completed a phase 2 study with positive clinical results in advanced lung cancer. We're now conducting our second study with Bayer as an add-on therapy to their drug product Nexavar in liver cancer. And we are now in the midst of a series of discussions with other large pharma to close additional deals so that we can develop our drug products as add-ons with their brands so that we can bring these new treatment options to patients, provide a good product lifecycle management option for our pharma partners, and be able to deliver a high return on investment for our investors.
I like this. I do. What's your background?
My background, I was previously a partner at Bain Capital. I worked 10 years for Mitt Romney, and then I was a managing director of another buyout fund. And after 2001, I decided I wanted to do something really different. And so I got into starting up companies, and I thought there was a real need to come out with products in a new way so that we could bring important new therapies to patients with cancer, but do it in a way that was much more cost effective, both in the development of the products, but also ultimately in terms of bringing these products to patients in an affordable way where everybody can win, not just one party.
Website
is Vicus Therapeutics. www.VicusTherapeutics.com.
Do you think you spelled it right?
I sure hope I did.
Pleasure having you. Good to see you.
Yeah, thank you.